Hi, my name is Sean. I'm a Pinsetter mechanic, certified to work on Brunswick AA2 and jetback pinsetters. Today we're going to do a not necessarily a pinsetter-ish video. It's not an adjustment, not it explained or anything like that. It's just someone requesting a video, which I will gladly take just requests, even if it doesn't pertain to the pinsetters. You know, if it's bowling related, more than likely I'll do the video. This one comes at the request of Steven Sanzo. I'm sorry if I butchered your last name, I apologize. But they're wondering, they said, would love to see your workshop set up, and that theirs is a mishmash of spare parts and a 24-lane house, and I don't have much room. Well, I'll tell you this right now, Steven. Neither do we. I can go from machine to the back wall, and this one's fully extended, this one not even close. So there ain't much room back here either. So trust me, I get exactly how you feel. But, you know, normal day is walking through this door and we have our light switch for that side of the house and the other two for that side. This is a 38-lane house now, used to be 48. 15 38ers there. Originally, when the building was built, we had 1 through 16, which is now 15 through 30. Later on, I think in the 60s or 70s, I think this place was built and it was finished in like 59, I think. But in the 60s or 70s, they added on 8 more lanes, so then this became a 24-lane house. And then originally they were going to add, I think they were going to add 10 more lanes, but by that time bowling was such a popular, crazy thing, they decided to add 24 lanes. So then this became a 48-lane house. 2009, the current owner, when he purchased it, there was not enough business to justify having 48 lanes. So what he did was he took out 7 through 10, and basically right here past that wall is the pool room. You know, we have, I think, like six-ish pool tables, I think. And then you ended up having 1 through 6. 1 through 6 was used specifically for birthday parties and stuff like that. And then eventually it got to the point where you couldn't even justify having those. So, took out the lanes, because old lanes are still sitting right under there. So basically he went over the lanes and built the wall and everything like that. So past this wall is an arcade, which he can justify having that. Damn crow. These lanes ended up becoming parts machines. Still are. All those little ticky-tack parts that you can't find, or you just forgot to order, or some shit like that. Well, we came down here and we robbed them from here. About a year or so ago, me and one of my buddies that used to work here, we started rebuilding this as a training machine. It's slowly but surely coming along, almost done. But yeah, he did a good bit part of that, and then he quit and he left me. So now I'm stuck running this place and making sure that try to make it run as good as when he was still here. So it's not that I don't know what the hell I'm doing, it's just he picked up so fast, and he wasn't certified or anything like that, but God, he was as intelligent as me in a short amount of time, and the place ran like smooth as butter. As for parts and everything, you know, we have we have our, you know, some miscellaneous belts from Napa and stuff like that are here, and this is like detector stuff, and this is where all of our turret things are usually. You know, we have our wires and chutes, halo rings and tracks, and our arms for the A pit cushions. Yeah, all of our turret parts are here. Get over here, and we have our pin guides and our ball lift tracks for up front, some tires, hardware for that, cleaning stuff, all right here. Cam belts, all your specialty tools right here, your cables, scissors, more miscellaneous parts. Is where all the magic happens. Workbench, that is right behind the machines. I've seen plenty of places that have a complete separate room for this, and God, I wish we did, but that's just not how the place was designed back in the day. So then we get into more hardware and some more miscellaneous hardware. There's a lot of miscellaneous parts. And it may seem like it's very unorganized, but there is a method to everything. You know, we have turn pins. This is our, you know, with our idler pulleys for shaker board, your Y switch, your covers for the turret frame, cross conveyor, your pit drive belts. This is where it starts getting confusing for some people. Is, you know, we have everything for our turret clutch here, everything for turret frame stuff here, more turret frame, shotgun. This is where we have deck slides, oddly enough. But then we get into our ball wheel rollers. We get into our guide rollers up here, along with our all of our shaker board stuff here. Miscellaneous stuff all on the bottom, except for here. This is where all of our pit cushion arms are with all the hardware. And then this is all pinwheel stuff at the bottom and the top rollers. This is our drawer full of spare parts and shit. This is all gearbox stuff, except for this is going to be for your rake. That's all gearbox, more gearboxes. Then we get into our lift rod stuff, and so lift rods from here down, and then we get into our spotting fingers, and then the rollers for your pinwheel, ball wheel, and shaker board. Your that was my aunt. Then we have our idler pulleys for the long turret belt. Breakers out the ass, and the wiring in this place sucks. It's just kind of like basically how the control boxes work. Oh no, forgot. There's power, that'll work. Accelerator pads, down sweep wipes, cloths for cleaning. All of our old shit for, oh fuck, what was this for? I think the AS80 scoring that this place used to have. That was before me. I came in, we had AS90. AS90. This is where we get into our electrical stuff. This is, you know, miscellaneous parts for, you know, we have our solenoids, contactors, micro switches, wiring for that. Boxes by Boltronics for the ball lifts up front. Deck chutes and stuff like that. Pins. Ladders. And all this shit that's so how it is up front is there's this white board that goes all across the top of the machines or the lanes that this stuff kind of like hooks into, except now we don't use it, as you can tell from all the spider webs and shit, and it'll now we have advertising for companies and stuff. So, oh, and then we get into our belts. Need more ball wheel, but we have pinwheel, jack shafts, and elevator, motor elevator, motor to gearbox, all the sizes you need, and everything else like that. And then here we are, lane 38. So I mean, I'd love to have a separate room that completely, you know, 2 rooms, you know, one for working on stuff and another one for, you know, all the parts to make it more organized. But as you can see, this is just one long basic hallway, so we have to do what we can with what we have, and it's worked out enough. That's basically it. So Steven, I hope this kind of kills the curiosity. And anyone else that was curious. But yeah, I like the place. Can run better. It has ran better. And we just keep trucking every day, just like, you know, just like the rest of you. So, like I said, I hope it kills your curiosity and anyone else that was kind of wondering. And yeah, this is just some request videos. And yeah, I do requests for anything, you know. Like how my setup is has almost nothing to do with how the Pinsetter works, but I'll do it. Or, you know, like there's another one coming out that the guy was just wondering, you know, he just wanted me to cycle the machine for a few minutes, so I did that. I mean, hell, you want me to do bowling videos? I'm a bowler. I'll do bowling videos and challenges and stuff. Challenge me. I don't care. I dare you. So anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Please leave in the comments below more requests for anything. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.